Real people, real cases. This is Verdict Watch.
Hang on a second. Slow down. You're in trouble here. I mean, you just don't test. You didn't test August 30. You didn't test August 31. You didn't test September 1. We were gracious enough to allow you to go out of town preliminarily. You missed SoberLink blows back in August.
I wasn't allowed to go anywhere, John.
I don't know what you mean. We were gracious enough to grant you permission, right? You were supposed to leave in a couple days.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Even though you missed all these tests. Where are you supposed to go?
Or
Who are you going to see in Florida?
it's just a vacation for my girlfriend's birthday.
For your what?
My girlfriend's birthday.
Okay. People against Horn, Nicholas J. Horn. 25T704225. I'm going to need Emily in here, John. And then that is part of one show cause dated December 22nd.
Good morning, Ryan.
Your name?
Nicholas Horn.
I need to wait until the probation officer comes in on this.
You said it's gonna be a few minutes.
Okay. You have a charge of failure to submit to biweekly testing as ordered on December 15th, 25. That is the charge. You plead guilty, or if you're found guilty, you have 7 prior technical violations. Your probation could be revoked. You could be incarcerated for up to 1 year. You understand that? You just sign the advice to rights and read and understand the rights.
Yes, sir.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and there will not be a hearing or a trial of any kind. Do you understand that? You have the right to an attorney. Be happy to provide you with one at public expense if you would like one. Would you like an attorney?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
To the charge, you failed to submit the biweekly testing as ordered on December 15th of 25. How do you plead?
Guilty, Your Honor.
Failed to appear for testing on that date?
I did, Your Honor.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No, Your
Why weren't you there?
To be honest, I did not know that I had to job that day. I wasn't calling regularly. With my new job, I've been working later hours. I've been working.
Slow down. I need a second page of the register there. What do you mean you didn't know you had the test?
I've been calling regularly. And with my new job that was that I work later hours. So
I don't know what that means.
So I have
I don't know what that means. What do you mean work later hours?
later on.
What time?
Like 11, 12,
3 at the
1 o'clock in the morning sometimes.
Okay,
I wake up at 5 a.m. to call.
okay.
And just didn't register in my head that that was my color. So now I've been calling twice a day. And, I've been changing my morning habits so I don't miss my colors up with me. Dealing with some prior technical.
Yeah, I know.
But if you look at those technicals, Your Honor, none of them are, and not for testing, either weekly or bi-weekly.
Aren't you supposed to go out of town?
I'm trying to talk to you.
You're not gonna probably go out of town now. I hope you didn't buy an airplane ticket.
Think about
Is there any way I can?
Hang on a second, slow down. You're in trouble here. I mean, you just don't test. You didn't test August 30, you didn't test August 31, you didn't test September 1. We were gracious enough to allow you to go out of town preliminarily. You missed SoberLink blows back in August.
I wasn't allowed to go anywhere, John.
I don't know what you mean. We were gracious enough to grant you permission, right? You were supposed to leave in a couple days.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Even though you missed all these tests. Where are you supposed to go?
Or
Who are you gonna see in Florida?
it's just a vacation for my girlfriend's birthday.
For your what?
My girlfriend's birthday. We're the little family trip.
Yeah, let's see. I'll wait until Mr. Sino comes in there, okay? I'll accept your plea and we will have a hearing then and I'll decide what I'm gonna do. Have a seat. Don't act put out with me either. You can't miss testing. We've told you that. I probably wasn't harsh enough when you did it before. Okay. Nicholas J. Horn, 25T704225FY. Morning, Sergeant. Give me hands up. Your name, Mr. Horn?
That's one.
All right, Mr. Seaman. So he pled guilty. He waived his right to a lawyer. Do you still wish to waive your right to a lawyer? What in the world is going on with him? He's telling me he was working later or something. I don't know what, and I had to act like a dentist to pry it from him. And he said he worked till 10 or 11 or 11 or 12 and had to get up at 5 to call and he didn't pay attention. Was this right? Am I right or wrong? Did I?
Yeah, I get home later. The restaurant will be closed until 10 o'clock. I don't be out of there until 11:30 midnight.
Where's that at? What restaurant again?
Bessa.
Where's that at?
Woodward, Congress.
How do you?
And then, I wake up early to try and make the morning drops because I can't make the afternoon drops. When I was notified that I did miss the drops, I went and dropped.
When?
That day on Friday.
Did he?
You didn't go till the 18th. I'd already,
18th.
yeah,
Hang on. You're supposed to go the 15th. Why'd you wait till the 18th?
I didn't wait on purpose, Your Honor.
Why'd you wait until the 18th?
That's when I was notified that I was supposed to go drop on the 15th.
Enlighten me.
he contacted me because he was, granted permission to travel, assuming he was still compliant. He's supposed to leave December 26th. So when he contacted me for that, I told him that he missed the testing, so he might not be permitted to travel any longer. And then he went to test the day I told him.
Working hard and trying to get better and being compliant with those things. This really wasn't a good accident. Having gone plus today, I've used my mouth. And making sure that I'm more than awake when I call, so that way I don't misinterpret whatever the automated voice is saying on the television.
What do you think here?
The travel was difficult because he wants to leave. It would be, was it January 26th to the 6th?
So December 26th to January 6th?
So I mean, I could have him test when he gets back, but it still doesn't cover the whole trip. So
Was it drugs or alcohol? Is his substance of choice here?
alcohol,
Well, why not have him take a sober link?
Okay.
This is now 8 total technical violation. My patience is running thin with you.
You gotta get that phone out of the building.
Why are you guys standing here with?
Gotta go out of the building.
We got signs, folks, we got signs all over, please. You can't come in here with phones. If you have a phone, please. DNA is probably not open on Christmas, is it?
I would have to look on DNA on site, it should be. But only in the morning, they're open every day.
And you're gonna be gone what days?
26th, the morning of the 26th through the 4th.
Anything else you want to say?
I apologize for having to be here talking to you right now.
You served 2 days on the court work program. You're gonna pay $70 for that. You're gonna pay additional costs of $75. You owe the court $145. You can go on your trip. You're to be on the SoberLink device the entire time. And you are to test the day before you leave for Florida and the day following your return. I don't care if it's DNA on site. I could care less. Do we understand one another? Do you have the 145? All right, we'll set you up on the court work program. And you're all set. Good luck. We talked to Ms. Tessino before. Thank you. People against Nicholas.
Thanks for watching Verdict Watch. New court drama every day. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a case. Leave a comment with your thoughts. We're watching too.